hope you're having a great day. So today I got out here early and I went and I weed eated all around everything. I pretty much got everything except for maybe the east side of the house. I did around the barns. I did around a lot of stuff just because I hadn't done it for a while. So I got that done while it was nice and cool, and then I went ahead and I got my harvest of the day, which is similar to everything you've seen before. I do have some cool varieties of celosia, so I'll throw those up on the screen. Those are kind of new. And I'm also watering today. We haven't had anything but a half inch. No, I think we had a tenth. I think we just had a tenth of an inch of rain in like the last 10 days or something. We did have a half inch a couple weeks ago, but it's just not enough. I'm noticing that like my cosmos and stuff are just looking really dry and sad. So I watered my annual garden. I'm watering my peonies. I need to go down and water my yarrow rose, but that might have to be tomorrow or later this evening because it's already kind of getting late in the day to be watering. And then I have a bouquet order to put together. So that's what I'm doing right now. And I think I might do a couple of my subscriptions so that I don't have so many subscriptions to fulfill tomorrow. I've been doing that recently. So I'll throw some pictures of those bouquets up, and I think it'll be a fun day. Oh yeah, and the Beetle bags are working. They're working marvelously. I haven't seen nearly as much damage on my zinnias, and the bags are always pretty much full. One of the bags is starting to die down, so I'm thinking maybe in that area the beetle population is lower. And then some of the bags that I just put up are loaded, so they're pretty nasty. I do need to get to that today. I haven't gotten to it in a few days, and they really need dumped. But here's a look at the beetles. And they stink like a dead, rotting corpse. Ugh. So yeah, that's like probably 2.5 gallons of beetles that are no longer killing everything around and are actually not native to this area and shouldn't be here anyway. So that's good. I have a feeling it's going to be an entire 5-gallon bucket because all of my bags are pretty full. I just haven't emptied them, which I need to do, and then I need to empty that bucket. Like I always have this horrible look on my face when I'm talking about it because they're just so gross. The cooler is packed again. I just took 2 buckets out because I'm getting ready to make bouquets, but other than that one bucket and that bucket is full.